Right, today we will be replacing the grotty gear cable from a 6-speed Micro-Shift M25-6. Now, I don't do these often, not the micro-shifts, so it's all fun and games. Before, to take off the cables, you used to peel back the rubber, but with these, the open button, open notch. See if I can get it open. Looks like it's never been open. Ooh. Last thing we want to do is ping it across the garden. There we go. That little thing there saves a lot of time and effort. Oh, we have a pink inside. So, remove all 3 bits of sheath. Good. That's one. Gonna have to connect that end back up to it. It's number 2. And number 3. So keep them all in order. Alright, then you're left with the bare bones. And then just push. That easy. Look at that. Ah, makes my life so much easier. Look at that. Just pull out the grotty cable. Set that down. I don't know if you can see the rust on that. Wow. Trash. Grab your new cable. Mine have fallen on the floor. And the hands have taken over, but there we go. Nice. Ooh. Shiny. Let's have a look at that. Nice and shiny. Now this is the most simplest thing ever. Anybody can do this. If I can do it, you can do it. Plop in the hole. She said. Ah, can't find it. That's what he said. Fiddle. Ooh, we got a blockage in there. There we go. There we go. And just pull. Done. Changed in literally a couple of minutes. Bung back in. And then put back on the sheath. May come into it. There we go. One. Now the grommets, as I call them. Always stick them on. And then 3s on each one. Leave them at the far end. We've got to do a repair. I love this sort of repair. Ready? Ah, he's going to have no issues. Look at that. Boy. Line it up. Thread it through. You may hit a snag. Like that first hit. There you go. Just keep gently pulling. Another little grommet. This is the rear derailleur cable. Third one on. And finally, making sure you get it at the right end. That connects to the derailleur. That does not. Yay! It's yuck. Screw. And let's lift this camera up. You have a complete new gear cable system. Look at that. 2 minutes to put it together. Well, say 3. Thank you.